I posted a bunch of videos on Instagram about this, but I don't think I've ever made a YouTube video. This is what I do with a Paul3D watch kit. You may have heard the open source watch kit that I have. You're supposed to put this inside of a watch case and use this as a watch. It's a ESP32 chip on the back. And this is one of those, GC9A displays. It's basically a high resolution IPS display. Looks gorgeous. So since this thing has Wi-Fi, every minute I have 4 of these log on to a little web server to download an image based on what time it is and which number they are in the clock. Let me demonstrate. First, I add this little adapter here that turns the USB mini into a full-size port. Then I take this full-size USB port and put it inside this gooseneck USB extension so it's posable. Let's see, there they are. They're all updating right now. This one number right here glitches out sometimes. But there you go. Ignoring this number right here, I get the time. I mean, it's 4 of them, so it's kind of expensive for a clock, but it's totally posable and awesome. That's exactly what I was looking for. And this is what I do with a Paul3D open source watch kit. I've never made an actual watch with it.